Aerospace Landing Gear Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global aerospace landing gear market size will be $7,815.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 5.5% from 2024 to 2031. North America aerospace landing gear market size of $3,126.20 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.7% from 2024 to 2031. Europe aerospace landing gear market size of $2,344.65 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4% from 2024 to 2031. Asia Pacific aerospace landing gear market size of $1,797.57 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.5% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America aerospace landing gear market size of $390.78 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.9% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa aerospace landing gear market size of $156.31 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.2% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.